Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can stop lagging on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you click on the game library, right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to stop lag on the PlayStation 5, firstly, you need to know what's the reason for the lag. One of the reasons is maybe your storage is full. So if you want to check it, just go ahead and click on settings. And then once you're here, go ahead and click on storage. And if you find your PlayStation 5 full, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and free space on your PlayStation 5. So just go here and then start deleting some games. You can also go to your media gallery, and if you have a lot of videos, you can delete the videos you don't need. And then once you do that, you're gonna be able to clean up some space. In order to uh, remove or delete a game, just go ahead and go to the game, then click on options, and then right here you're gonna find check for updates, upload and download save data, manage game content, delete, update history, and so on. Click on delete and then you're gonna be able to delete the game. Once you free up your space, your PlayStation 5 must be working fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.